It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day out. It's summer, the middle of July. I mean, what more can we ask for? The Genius Act officially got passed yesterday. I'm sure you guys may have heard of that. So looking forward, there's going to be a lot of change in the financial markets. And what I mean by that, we see a lot of change already happening in real estate, Bitcoin, XRP. They're going to allow for digital assets to be used for mortgage payments. Now, what does that mean for everybody else? Okay, so we have about just under 600 million global users that are adopted to the crypto space, right? But fast forward, let's say within 2, maybe 3 years from now, we probably will have more like 2 billion people. And then fast forward to 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, that's when we're going to scale to probably, 45% to half of the world is going to be using digital assets. And what does that mean for you? If you're watching this, that means that you should probably brush up on, just the knowledge, the basics of how to understand cryptocurrency, digital assets, stable coins, all of it. A crypto is a token or coin. A coin can be a blockchain, a layer one, and then you have a token, which is a part of a layer one blockchain. Usually it's derived from either a layer two or it can be either on a layer one, right? So example of that is you have Polygon. Polygon is a layer one blockchain. Polygon is derived from Ethereum. So although they are a layer one, they derive from Ethereum's network. And then you have platforms such as Nublock, which is our company. We are tokens. We offer a token, okay, but we're not a blockchain. So we have cryptocurrencies, and then we also have stable coins. Cryptocurrencies are volatile. So what that means is they can trade at any given price depending on the volume, the trade volume. They can fluctuate in price pretty fast. When it comes to a stable coin, that's more pegged with the US dollar. So you can transfer your crypto to a stable coin and you can secure your funds without having to worry about the volatility. Now, I would just say learn tokenization because a lot of financial markets, banking sectors, they're going to be transitioning into this new model of digital assets. And what that means is that your funds are going to essentially be tokenized eventually. So the US dollar, it's going to be tokenized eventually, right? So, you have digital cash that you don't physically touch, but you can transact and make payments and cross-border, transactions, solutions for sending funds to people, paying for items. Like I said earlier, digital assets are going to be used for mortgage. I mean, that's big. A mortgage payment in Bitcoin or XRP. Like, think about that. You've been holding for 10 years and now all of a sudden you can pay for a house and you can pay for your mortgage and you can go to the grocery store and pay. And it's a faster approach, fewer costs for fees. And, it cuts out a lot of the middle process for the transaction. So we're looking forward. I would just say brush up on it. You have YouTube University. I mean, we're on YouTube now. It's free, right? And then you also have a lot of people that are giving a lot of great information. You do have to watch out for some crypto pirates. You don't want them to steer you in the wrong direction, but there's a lot of great information that you can learn and just utilize the information to understand it. So when the transition happens, you're not taken aback and, confused or you don't know what to do with your funds, right? I think the most important thing is to secure your funds and know how to move your money and secure your money and just understand how it all works so you don't lose your money in the process as well. Okay? All right, guys. Well, have a great weekend with your friends, family, loved ones, whomever it is. On this channel, we will discuss cryptocurrency as I am the founder of Nublock. We are a private network for crypto trades, payments, connections, whatever it is. You hear the term everything application, but we were that well before a lot of these other companies that have brought up the discussion of the everything app, right? So we've been working on it for a little over a year and a half. We had the idea really back in 2020, but it was too early. People really were not ready for it. And now that we are ready to scale, we're available on Android as of now. iOS will be coming soon. But I wanted to just share my feedback because I know a lot of friends and family don't really understand the crypto or digital asset market. And I just don't want people getting left behind. I feel like it's an inclusive market, and I feel like everybody has an opportunity to, get in now, get in early, understand it. I'm not telling you to invest in crypto. I'm just telling you to understand the tokenization in the digital asset market space so you can understand when the banks transition and when platforms such as Nublock, when we offer our financial services, you understand how important it is, not just for people around the world and destitute countries, but also for you, because your money will be tokenized one day soon. All right. Have a great one.